When you receive a call requesting a quote, or you're in the field meeting with a repair shop owner, these are some of the questions that you should be asking to get a good understanding of their business. How long have they been in business? Do they have coverage? Any losses? These questions help me to determine what markets I have available and what credits I can apply while quoting. What types of vehicles are they working on, and what types of repair work are they offering? The garage application does a great job of breaking down the different repair classes. So the garage app would be a great tool to have on hand while gathering information. You should also be asking, are all repairs done at their garage location, or are they performing mobile repairs? Any pickup or delivery of customer autos? These are all potential driving exposures that we need to identify. And how are the autos kept overnight? Are they kept inside the building, in a fenced-in lot, or an open lot? Are they parked on the street? These answers will determine what type of garage keepers coverage we can offer and theft eligibility. And lastly, how many owners do they have? This includes inactive owners. And how many part-time and full-time employees are there? And what coverages are they looking for? Garage liability is rated on the number of owners and employees, so it is very important to obtain this information. The first example I have is a general automotive repair risk working on private passenger vehicles. There is one owner and 3 full-time employees. They've been in business with no coverage, and they don't have any pickup or delivery exposure, and all work is done at their garage location. I would go a step further with my questioning to find out why they are looking for coverage. Did they suffer a loss? Have they not been able to afford insurance? Or maybe their landlord is requiring them to get coverage. The answer will help you find out what's driving them to get a policy and how price sensitive they might be. So let's say the repair shop owner had mistakenly put a dent in a customer's vehicle. He had to cover the expense to get the vehicle fixed and figured it would be to his benefit to get a policy in place in case anything like this were to happen again. So this is the standard repair shop recommending garage liability, which is general liability coverage for a garage risk, garage keepers coverage, which offers coverage for customer vehicles while in their care, custody, and control, and some property coverage such as business personal property and business income would be good options to discuss with this client.